his gun outside his pants for all the honest world to feel. Pancho made his match, you know, in the deserts down in Mexico, and no one heard his dying words. But that's the way it goes. Oh, the federales say we could have had him anything. We only let him slip away out of kindness, I suppose. Lefty doesn't sing the blues all night long like he used to. The dust that Pancho bit down south ended up in Lefty's mouth. Day they laid poor Pancho low. Lefty split for Ohio, and where he got the bread to go, there ain't nobody knows. Oh, the federales say we could have had him anything. We only let him slip away out of kindness, I suppose. The poets tell how Pancho fell, and Lefty's living in a cheap motel. The desert's quiet and Cleveland's cold, and so the story ends, we're told. Pancho needs your prayers, it's true, but save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Oh, and now he's growing old. All the federales say we could have had him any day. We only let him slip away out of kindness, I suppose. A few great federales say we could have had him anything. We only let him go so long out of kindness, I suppose.